Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Circle on your phone, open the app or the web portal and sign in. Once signed in, make sure to grant location and camera permissions so Circle can detect nearby objects and landmarks. Next, tap the Search Circle icon at the bottom center to enter live search mode. While you do that, check you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Search accuracy improves with better connectivity. Once ready, point your camera toward the target and proceed to the next steps. You now frame the item inside Circle's overlay and hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds so the app can capture details. Once Circle analyzes the image, review the suggested keywords and use zoom or crop to refine the area of focus. This reduces false matches. Then add a text tag or short voice note if needed to clarify context. After that, apply filters like image type, location, or date to narrow results. These steps reduce noise and speed up finding the exact match. You finish by scrolling through Circle's ranked results and opening the most relevant entries to check sources and details. Once you find the match, save or share it using the app's export or link options. Screenshots work as a quick backup. If results are unclear, retry the capture with better lighting, a steadier hold, or a tighter crop, and make sure permissions are enabled. If problems persist, restart the app and reattempt. That often clears caching or permission glitches and restores normal functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.